This is a story of Amanda's bathtub. I see you.
What?
I see you.
God?
Every day.
Who are you?
I see you.
Oh my gosh, are you the shower head?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, don't tell the toaster anything.
I'm the shower.
No, don't tell the toaster anything.
I shall go to the toaster.
No.
To the toaster. Hello, toaster. Zach is weird. Yes. Beautiful toaster. I shall leave your gayness now. You say nothing of this. I told the toaster.
What?
I told the toaster. Now I shall go tell the dishwasher.
What are you gonna tell him? Oh my gosh, there's no dishwasher in there.
What the hell's the dishwasher? Oh, there it is. Hola, dishwasher. Dishwasher. Butt scratcher. 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 The dishwasher knows.
What does he know?
Butt scratcher.
Oh, I'm not a butt scratcher, okay? Who are you?
I am Le Showerhead.
What are you doing here?
I am being gay.
Why'd you stop making water come out?
I stopped peeing.
Oh no.
You must give me your iPod.
Mommy.
Alright. Alright.
Oh, you can see me still, can't you?
See.
Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. Is that the Phantom Ghost person?
Yes.
Who's the Phantom Ghost person? Is that Michael Jackson here?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna wash my hair. Washing my hair with soap. The lights are off. Oh, washing my hair. Okay, now I gotta get the soap out. Gotta wash out the conditioner. Okay, I'm washing my body. I think I got the chicken pox. No, those are goosebumps. Never mind.
Gotta pee again, gotta pee again.
Oh, no. Oh, it.
Okay. Almost done?
Owie.
Almost. Alright.
I have conditioner all over me now. And I'm all slippery. I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I'm alive. I'm okay. And we're just kidding.
Oh my god, stupid. Wait, hand me that iPod, I have an idea.
This is a video. Yeah, we were just kidding. There's no shower head that watches me. At least I don't think. I hope. Oh no. It really does watch me, doesn't it?